Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have a very interesting trading session. So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe and put a big thumbs up to this video. So guys, today we are going to trade on support and resistance levels. Today we are going to use strategy based on technical analysis. And to help the technical analysis, we are going to use awesome oscillator indicator. This indicator will tell us which volumes prevail on the market to increase or to decrease. And also this information will help us to analyze the market. As you can see, this indicator is already connected to me. It is located under the graph. All settings are left by default. Now I will remind you how this indicator works and what is the signal for opening a deal. As you can see, this indicator consists of a horizontal line with a mark of 0, on different sides of which a green and red histogram are formed. And the signal is the moment when, for example, a green histogram is formed. This means that the volumes for the increase are growing and in the future the price will move up. Accordingly, in a similar situation, we can open a deal up. Also, when the red histogram is formed, this means that volumes are growing for a decrease, and in the near future the price will move down. Accordingly, in a similar situation, we can open a deal down. Also, of course, it is important to pay attention to the support and resistance levels, also on the trading situation as a whole. Only combination of technical analysis and the indicator together will give us a good result. So guys, let's get started. Right now, at the moment, I can see that the green histogram is beginning to form, and this means that the volumes for the increase are growing. Also, at the same time, we see that at the moment there is a certain compression of the resistance level. Also, after a false breakout of the level, there was a pullback down, but the overall price potential is going up. Therefore, here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. It is quite possible that this level will be broken in the near future. Also, at the moment, you can see that the red histogram is also being formed. As you understand, the indicator reacts to all price movements. Just the moment there is a pullback down, it is this moment that the indicator reacts to. But as I said earlier, first of all, we pay attention to technical analysis and the trading situations in general. And in this situation, it is more likely that after a downward pullback, the movement will still continue upward. That is the resistance that will be broken. That is why the formation of a red histogram in this situation can be considered as an error. I'm sure that in the near future the price will turn around and continue to move up. Accordingly, the green histogram will continue to form. It is important to understand and take into account such moments. That is why I always say in my videos that it's important to have trading experience, which you can accumulate with the time. And of course, you shouldn't blindly trust only on the indicator's hint, and you need to be able to correctly analyze the situation for the specific period of time. So guys, I hope this is clear for you. Be sure to watch this video till the end. And guys, let's get started and let's wait for the result. Well guys, as you can see, the price really continued to move up and this level was broken. I have really managed to earn on this upward movement by breaking through the resistance level. And as you can see, the green histogram really continued to form. That is, the volumes for the increase continued to grow. This proves that our technical analysis was correct and I have correctly managed to predict the further price movement. So guys, let's continue and find the next entry point. We have a level of support here. We also see that at the moment the price has reached our level and now it is already beginning to go beyond it. Let's open a deal literally for 1 minute to go down, and at the same time we also see that the price has been steadily moving down recently. We also see that a red histogram is forming, and this means that volumes are growing for a decrease, which means that in the near future the price will move down. Perhaps I will get into the very impulsive movement of the price down, into the very breakdown of the level. I hope that 1 minute will be enough in this situation. So guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, as you can see, the price continued to move downwards with a good confident impulse red candle. This level was broken through. Here we get a great and confident profit. This indicator turned out to be right again and gave us a really good entry point. So guys, I think we should continue. Here we have a resistance level. We also see that after the pullback, the price has turned around and is approaching the level. At the same time, a green histogram is formed. The volumes for the increase are starting to grow. In this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to go up. Also, at the same time, we see that the price has a good potential to increase and the main price lows are getting higher. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level in the near future. We also took 2 minutes to spare in case of pro trading, so guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, as you can see, the price continued to move up and this level was broken through. I have managed to earn money here. The indicator also turned out to be right. It gave us a very good entry point. So far everything is going great. Let's continue guys. We have a level of support here. We also see that there is a downward movement and the moment the price is approaching the level, at the same time there is still space for the support level. At the same time I also see that a red histogram is forming, volumes are growing lower, and here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. The price doesn't have a bad downward potential. It is more likely that the price will continue to move directly to the support level. It is on this downward movement that we will try to earn guys. I hope that 2 minutes will be enough in this situation, since we see that the price has been moving down quite confidently lately. Also, of course, there are pullbacks up, and I think with all of these movements the 2 minutes will be quite enough. So guys, let's wait for the result. Amazing, as you can see the price moves in waves, but still the downward movement continued and we made a profit. I've just managed to make money on the approach of the price to the level. The indicator also did an excellent job. It gave us a really good entry point. So guys, let's continue. We have a level of support down here. We also see that the price has reached our level and is already starting to go beyond it. Let's try to open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. It is quite possible that this level will be broken in the near future. Also, at the same time, I see that a red histogram is forming, volumes are growing lower. This means that a downward movement is expected in the near future. At the same time, we can see that the price highs are being updated and they are getting lower. There is a certain level of compression. I hope that the price will really continue to move down and we will be able to make money on the downward movement. So guys, let's wait for the end of the result. Excellent, as you can see the level has been broken through. This is where we make a profit. I have just earned on a breakout of the support level. The indicator also turned out to be right and gave us a good entry point. As you can see, these situations really worked well. Well guys, let's continue and find another situation. So guys, we have a resistance level at the top here. Let's set a horizontal line along the upper values of these candlesticks. Then we return to the beginning. Here we also see that there is still space for the level. I suggest opening a deal here for 2 minutes to go up on an uptrend. The indicator also confirms our entry point. A green histogram is formed. The volumes for the increase are growing. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. We will try to make money on this upward movement. I hope that 2 minutes will be enough in this situation, even taking into account the possible pro trade. So guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, the prices continue to move towards the level and we are making profit here. I have managed to earn on this uptrend. The indicator really gave us a good entry point. As you can see, the indicator hints in combination with technical analysis works perfectly guys. So let's continue. We have a resistance level at the top here. We also see that the price has confidently approached the level. Also the reaction came from the level. The price has entered the correction zone. There is a rollback in the opposite direction, so here we'll open a deal for 2 minutes down. We'll see that the indicator confirms our entry point. A red histogram is formed. This means that the price will move down in the near future. We will try to make money on this downward corrective movement. I hope that 2 minutes will be enough for us, so guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, the prices really continue to move down and we are making profit here. The indicator really gave us a good entry point and helped us determine the further price movement. Meanwhile, I already have $3,000 on my deposit. And I suggest opening one more deal, the last one for today. Also at the moment we see that the price continues to move down. A confident impulse red candle is forming. We can try to open the next deal here. It it's quite possible that the price will continue to move to the support level, which is below. Therefore, here we can try to open a deal for 2 minutes down. Also, at the same time, we can see that the red histogram continues to form. That is, the low volumes continue to grow. I hope that I will have time to work on this downward movement. So guys, let's watch the price and wait the result. Well guys, not bad at all. After the upward pullback, the price turned around and continued to move towards the support level, and I managed to work on this downward movement. 2 minutes was just enough for us in this situation. Also, the indicator again suggests a good entry point and helped us to determine the further price movement. Guys, not today, now guys, I have $5,500 on my deposit. I suggest we end our trading session for today because I definitely fulfilled my plan. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Today we traded with awesome oscillator indicator, and I hope now you are more familiar how to use this indicator. You can use this indicator in your own trading sessions and also try to find similar situations which we had today on the market. Don't forget that only experience can help you to increase your profits, so train and trade and you will definitely reach your goal. Guys, don't forget that I have a closed community where I share my trading signals. These trading signals are free of charge. How to get them? Super easy. Text me a code word signal on my Telegram. The link will be down below. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to put a big thumbs up and also turn on notifications in case you didn't do that yet, so we always keep in touch. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!